Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo XC90 T6 Inscription. This is in pebble gray metallic with a blonde Napa leather interior. And we can spot from a mile away that it's an Inscription trim level because of all of this glorious chrome. T6 means that it's a 4-cylinder turbo and supercharged engine, giving you 316 horsepower. This is all-wheel drive, making it very capable in the snow. We have the upgraded 21-inch wheels. This has the advanced package, so you get the graphic heads-up display and the 360-degree camera, which is great for maneuvering in and out of tight spots. This is keyless entry. There's a hands-free power lift gate. This is a 7-seat SUV, but if you don't need that third row, the seats fold flat, giving you a ton of space. Great for whatever your life has in store for you. Dogs, beach chairs, groceries, golf clubs, giant panoramic sunroof. As a standard feature, the XC90s now come with heated front seats and a wireless phone charger in the front. But since this has the climate package, this also has heated back seats. This also has the center booster seat. That is an option. And so now the side seats are heated, and the controls are there. And there's a phone charging station there too. But that center booster seat is not heated. So it's one or the other. This has the upgraded Bowers & Wilkins sound system. It's 1,400 watts of power to 19 speakers. And it sounds amazing. There are actually speakers in the very back, in the ceiling. The subwoofer is mounted to the frame, so you actually do feel the music if you have it at the right volume. Your giant touch screen in the center. Your safety features, Bowers & Wilkins, and now this is the best part. So this is your main screen, and if you get in and you hear a very subtle hiss, it's probably because the ventilated seats are on. So these front seats are heated and cooled, perforated seats. Awesome. So back to the center screen, swipe way to the right, the sound experience. This is where you can choose different options, and it's just, I can't show you, but it's just amazing. The closest thing to live music you might hear for a little while. Concert hall is just absolutely epic, just resonates, and it's so amazing. Jazz club is super tight. It's a really amazing sound system. This is your 360-degree camera. Good for, not curbing your tires while you're parking. Your backup camera there. Turn off your start stop if you don't like that. That's right there. This is the wireless phone charging station. We've got your cup holders. You can plug in there for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Select your drive modes here. This is an outstanding XC90. It's stock number 21180. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need. We'd love to get you in for a test drive, or maybe we'll see you on Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.